There we go.
Here are the Akita puppies. 4 weeks old. Oh, very nice. Oh, and going to the bathroom. Hello, puppies! Hello, puppies! Hello! Hello, puppies! That's right. Uh-oh, someone's crying. Someone's crying. Uh-oh, the puppies are all over me. All right, I can't get them away from me. They just keep, hello. Okay, I can't video because they follow me.
You gotta get over there and make them follow.
Oh, look, going potty. Good boy. Good boy. I know, I can't pick you up. I'm videotaping.
Who's crying?
Well, there we go.
Please.
Okay, we have 7. Can we try to corral them all together? Is that possible?
Come on, guys.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get my nasty glove off.
I can't hold you right now. I can't hold you right now.
Okay, come here. Come here, guys. Come here.
Come here. Still one more.
Well, go get him, Colin.
Come here. Let's wrestle.
No, don't wrestle.
Bring him home.
That one's going to the bathroom.
Yeah. Can't take any more video.
Okay.
Nathan used it all up. Come on, Nathan.
You can probably delete some videos.
Okay, one more.
Oops.
Oh, that was on video.
I think you hurt her leg.
No, I didn't hurt her leg. I hurt her tooth. Don't bite my shoelaces. That's what happened before.
What did you do?
I lifted my foot up and his tooth was on my foot.
Oh no! He's running! They're running now! Get away! No, you stay away, puppies! Oh, look at Deuce! He's gonna get you.